My name is Gabriela Masso Tapasco, and today I want to expose my exposition of plant cell. What is the function of a plant cell? Carry out photosynthesis, a chemical process through which plants synthesize organic substances using light energy, and then release oxygen. Principal characteristics: 1. Cell wall. 2. Chloroplast contain. 3. Have largest vacuole. And 4. Typical rectangle or cuboid in shape. What happens if the plant cell is not there? If the plant cell is not there, oxygen will not be produced, being this the essential source of life for the living beings. What is they located? They are found in many of the plant tissues, that is, in all types of plants. Components of plant cells. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum produces proteins. Nucleus. Mainly the integrity of those genes and control cellular activities. Nucleus plants allow the chemical reaction of the nucleus metabolism. Nucleolus deals with the production and assembly of ribosomes in cells. Mitochondria. They act as powerhouse of the cell synthesis ATP. Ribosomes. Its function is the synthesis of proteins. Cytoplasm houses cell organelles and contribute to their movement. Cell membrane regulates the transport of substances into and out of the cell. Golgi body aids in manufacture and packing of proteins and lipids. Vacuum help retain wasted products. Lysosomes responsible for reclaiming wasted cellular debris. And chloroplasts, their main function is the relation of photosynthesis. Thanks for your attention.